Bitcoin is about to be breaking out, and in this exact video I will talk about my price targets, I will talk about the Bitcoin bull flag, I will talk about the momentum divergence, and much more important stuff. I will give a big update on my trade, so don't forget to watch the video till the end. It's going to be super important because Bitcoin is right now literally retesting the most important resistance of this entire trend on the entire market so far. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we smash it back above 600? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term for Bitcoin. Once looking at the imminent short term, we can currently see Bitcoin is creating a huge consolidation phase, and we are expecting this one is going to be breaking out anytime soon. And you can clearly see we're creating a clear downward sloping resistance line. Every single time we touch it, we see a big rejection, and we're also creating a big upward sloping support line, and every single time we touch it, we also see a gigantic rejection. So basically right now we're expecting to see a major breakout happening anytime soon, and if I were to be looking at the price targets of this breakout, we're expecting a 30.8k Bitcoin if we're going to be breaking bullish, and we're going to be expecting a 29.2k Bitcoin if we are going to be breaking bearish. So these are the price targets, and we're expecting this breakout is going to be happening anytime soon. Furthermore, we can currently see that Bitcoin is still creating this very important bull flag scenario, and this one will be also potentially breaking out anytime soon here. You can see Bitcoin creates a big spike towards the upside, then creates this downward sloping consolidation phase, and if we do break the downtrend, we are probably going to see a way bigger continuation towards the upside, so it will be super bullish if Bitcoin manages to be breaking the downtrend. At the same time, we can currently spot that the momentum on the RSI is actually rapidly declining while Bitcoin has been going sideways. So Bitcoin is currently trading sideways, but if it were to create another move towards the upside, it will be inevitable that we're going to create a gigantic bearish divergence. So be aware, we're currently probably at the top stage of this current move towards the upside. Also considering that this move was 15% in just a matter of 24 hours, it would make a lot of sense to see a little bit of longer and a little bit of more consolidation for Bitcoin before it really goes in towards its next move here. So yeah, Bitcoin looks quite dangerously. We can clearly see we broke the 4-hourly downtrend, and currently actually we can see that this level that previously around provided support and here it significantly provides resistance will right now act as support, and you can see already it acted as support for Bitcoin. So right now I'm waiting to see another gigantic breakout for Bitcoin, but if we were to go lower, and I've said this as well in yesterday's video, the 29.5 to 29.7k will be the big support for Bitcoin where we will keep our eyes wide open on, and I will be expecting there's going to be a big bounce happening from off that level easily. Updating my trade here, I'm not going to take any profits right now here, especially since we are seeing a breakout that could be occurring anytime soon here. Said it many times before, my target of this move towards the upside is $40,000, and I think we can reach it, and so far I'm making about 1.3 Bitcoin in profit. I started this account with $50,000, and right now the account is trading around 105k, so I literally made more than $55,000 in a matter of a few days here. So if you're interested in trading yourself as well, because yeah, you could make tons of money by trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, especially in these volatile markets, don't forget to check out the links in the description where you can right now sign up an account and claim an additional deposit bonus after using the link in the description. And don't forget to check it out. Also consider subscribing to the channel, since I show my trades step by step exactly on how I execute them here on this channel. Furthermore, we can see that the daily bull flag still broke out here, and currently we're seeing the first minor rejection, and the rejection is actually coming exactly at the level we've been expecting, right? So I've talked about this resistance range, the 31 to 32k is the level to break, and actually the 31.7k is the exact level to break, but currently we're just waiting to see when that next level is going to get broken, and as soon as it does break, we will probably see a bigger continuation and a bigger spike towards the upside. At the same time, we're creating this cup and handle scenario, we're creating this cup and handle pattern, and I mean this one already broke bullish, and right now I'm expecting to see the breakout occur. And right now we're seeing the breakout happening, but at the same time, the most important range to be looking at is this red box right here. Because still, yes, the cup and handle broke bullish, but there is a gigantic level of big resistance trading above us. And as soon as Bitcoin breaks above that level, that is going to be the confirmation for the breakout of the cup and handle. I've been saying this for quite a while already. You could also approach the cup and handle completely differently, because if you will approach the cup and handle like this, you can see that we first need to be breaking above that $31,000 US before the cup and handle pattern is even breaking out initially. So yeah, the cup and handle pattern does decide to be breaking bullish, but still there's got a big level of resistance trading above us right now. You can see that this level is the level I'm talking about, the 31 to 32,000 US dollars. If Bitcoin manages to be closing its daily candle above 32k, I think we will easily fly up to I think easily 40 to 44,000 US dollars will be reached for Bitcoin, and even 47 to 48,000 dollars, the previous high on the market right here, will be definitely still in the play here. So Bitcoin looks quite bullish, but we need to still break above this very important level of resistance. You can clearly see it on the weekly time frame that this level I'm currently talking about is definitely the main level to be looking at. I mean, I've talked about it while we were retesting it the first time around in $31,000, and we'll keep talking about it right now, and I expect still that this is the level that could be providing massive rejections. I'm not saying that we necessarily have to go down all the way again, but this is a level that could reject us significantly since, yeah, if you look at history, this was a gigantic big level of support, and currently we're trading against it, and it really will be super important to be watching if we could be breaking above this level. At the same time, on the monthly MACD here for Bitcoin, we are about to be crossing bullish on the MACD. That is super bullish to see here, and at the same time as well, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping down a little bit here after reaching our price target. Currently, I could be expecting that altcoins could maybe see some more movements, and I expect them. Actually, we're going to create a new consolidation phase, just like we did right here. In the bigger perspective, if I'm zooming out here, you can currently see that we are retesting this previous low on the market right here, but there are still possibilities that the Bitcoin dominance is going to even increase to 57 to 60%. So be aware for that. Bitcoin dominance could still definitely go higher, but right now we are at least hitting our short-term target of the breakout and also of that previous high in the market. I do expect altcoins could be bouncing a little bit from off this point here. The Bitcoin is still going to be the main asset to be watching, and if you're looking at previous bear markets, last time around in the previous bear market, once we broke above that previous high in the market, we actually saw a bigger continuation towards the upside. And the altcoin season only started in February 2021, January 2021. And you know what? If I'm going to be approaching and overlaying the Bitcoin price action on top of that, you can see that altcoins are only really a good buy. And let me quickly show you this. It was November 2020. That was the point that Bitcoin broke its all-time high. That was actually the point where you should start to be buying altcoins. It wasn't actually the perfect time to be buying altcoins, because the best time to be buying altcoins was just 2 months after Bitcoin hit its new all-time high here. So if there's one thing you have learned from that, when to be buying altcoins, it is basically once Bitcoin breaks above its previous all-time high, that is the time to be buying altcoins. So right now, it is not necessarily the best time to be buying altcoins. You could, of course, buy some altcoins that are probably going to do very well, because there are always altcoins out there that are going to outperform Bitcoin. There are always altcoins out there. Mainly the best time to be buying altcoins to really diversifies your risk and to get a better risk to reward ratio is once Bitcoin actually breaks that all-time high here. So that was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did like it, don't forget to slap up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.